Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting innovations in the world of finance: crypto Visa cards. You might have heard a lot about cryptocurrency lately, but today, we're going to show you how you can actually use your crypto for everyday purchases, just like any regular credit or debit card. Whether you're at a coffee shop, shopping online, or even withdrawing cash from an ATM, the crypto Visa card is bridging the gap between traditional finance and the world of digital currencies. But how exactly do these cards work? Let's break it down. So, what exactly are crypto Visa cards? Simply put, these cards allow you to spend your cryptocurrency just like you would with your regular debit or credit card. But instead of using traditional money, you're using digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even stablecoins. When you make a purchase, the card instantly converts your cryptocurrency into the local currency, and the transaction goes through just like any other Visa payment. It's fast, simple, and secure. Key features? Well, first of all, there's no need for you to manually exchange your crypto into cash. It happens automatically. And with the Visa network, it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide. Let's see how this works in real life. I'm at my favorite coffee shop, and instead of paying with cash or a traditional card, I'm going to use my crypto Visa card. As you can see, the card processes the payment quickly, converting my crypto into the local currency. No extra steps needed. Now I'm ready to enjoy my coffee. But it's not just for in-store purchases. Online shopping, no problem. You can use your crypto Visa card to buy anything from clothes to gadgets, just like you would with a regular card. And what if you need some cash? With many crypto Visa cards, you can even withdraw money from ATMs that accept Visa, just like a regular debit card. Now let's talk about the perks. One of the best things about using a crypto Visa card is the ease and security of spending. You don't need to go through the hassle of converting your crypto at exchanges. It's all done for you, right there at the point of sale. Plus, these cards come with enhanced security. Your card details are encrypted, ensuring that every transaction is safe and secure. And don't forget about the user-friendly app that lets you track your spending, check balances, and manage your crypto. It's all right at your fingertips. Beyond basic spending, some crypto Visa cards even offer rewards and incentives. Earn cashback, loyalty points, or even crypto rewards with every purchase you make. It's like getting paid for using your own money. Plus, some cards offer exclusive discounts or access to premium deals. Imagine getting special discounts on flights or shopping, all while earning crypto rewards that can grow over time. The adoption of crypto Visa cards is growing fast. More and more people are realizing how convenient and powerful they are for managing and spending their digital assets. As cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, these cards are set to revolutionize the way we spend money. The future of finance is here, and it's built on digital currencies. So if you're looking for a way to use your crypto every day without the complexities of exchanges or wallets, consider trying a crypto Visa card. It's secure, easy to use, and could be the next big step in your financial journey. Thanks for watching today's video. If you're interested in getting your own crypto Visa card, be sure to check out the links in the description below for more info. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips and insights into the future of finance. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep exploring the world of crypto.